Hello everyone, in this video I will guide you how you can raise a support chat and take help from our support experts. So once you come on TranZact, on your right hand side in the very bottom, please check, you will get an option of get help. Please click on this. Now here is an option of chat, and just below that we have provided an option of frequently asked question. So let me first click on chat. So once you will click on chat, here our Delight team member, once you will go ahead and just raise a query over this support chat, our Delight team member will be helping you within less than 20 seconds, as we try our very best to provide you a first response time below 20 seconds, and we have managed it. Our support time remain active from 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. from Monday to Saturday, excluding national holidays. Okay, so you can raise a support chat, and our support agent will be there to help you quickly. Now, if I go back, so what are FAQ? FAQ is that segment where we have stored videos and article for your help. So suppose you do have a query related to how can I create a purchase order. So you can simply go ahead and type here create PO. Please check how to create purchase order. You need to click on this and you will see a video which will guide you that how you can create a purchase order on TranZact. Going back, this is our home module. Here you can schedule your live demo as well. You can book your slot, or you can very well go ahead and chat with us in order to resolve your query, and we will be there to guide you. I hope this particular video will be very helpful to you in order to take expert help from TranZact. Have a good day.